In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload and share files and folders on Google Drive. So when you log into your Google Drive through your Google account, you will be presented with this interface. It may look slightly different as I have a bunch of files and folders already uploaded. What you want to do to begin with is go ahead and go in the upper left-hand corner and click the New button right under the Drive logo. This is going to allow us to create a new folder. Go ahead and create a new folder and then give it any type of name that you want. So we'll just say Shared here and then go ahead and click or hit Enter the Create button there. And that's going to create a brand new folder in your Google Drive. Now we can just double click to go inside that folder, and as you can see, there are currently no files here in this specific folder. So what we want to do is either right click anywhere in the folder and go to File Upload, or if you want to create another folder within this one, you would go to Folder Upload, or alternatively, you could click on the New button here and then go to File Upload. This will bring up the File Explorer here, and if we go, we can click here and find different files that we may want to add. So let's say I want to go ahead and go to my Downloads folder, and I want to go ahead and select multiple files. I can click and hold to select multiple files, or on PC, hit Command or Control and just select all of the different files that I want to upload. So I'll go ahead and select a couple of thumbnails here and go ahead and either hit Enter or click Open to begin uploading those files. You'll see them uploading in the very bottom, and then once they're uploaded, you'll see them here within your folder. Now, in order to share this folder, go up to the folder name, which in this case is just the word shared, click the drop-down menu here and go to Share. Now, this is going to share the entire folder and all of the contents within. So just understand that. If you want to share just an individual file, you would need to go over here, right-click on that file, and then go to Share the same exact way. But we're going to share the entire folder, so click on Shared, whatever the folder name is here, and then go to Share, and then go to the Share button once more. Now, what I like to do is right here under General Access, I go and click the Restricted button here and go to anyone with the link. That way I don't have to go back and recreate and things of that nature. So anyone with this link is going to either be a viewer, a commenter where they can't change anything, or an editor where they can download, they can add, and they can edit the files. So you decide what permissions they have. I'll go ahead and go to editor here. Now, if you wanted to, you could go up here where you see add people and type in email addresses to do it specifically from this box. But for me, I like to go to copy link once I've edited it the way that I want. And now when I'm in an email, I can just Command or Control V to paste that link, and there it is. Now, anyone with that link, if I right click and hit go to that link, they'll be provided the access to that folder within their Google Drive. So again, you can share folders, files individually, and upload them exactly like I showed you here. If you have any questions, put those down below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.